Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Want to block annoying ads on your iPhone without installing any apps? In this video, I'll show you how to reduce ads using Apple's built-in settings and adguard DNS quick and easy. So let's go. First go to the setting, scroll down and tap on Apple advertising. Now simply turn off personalized ads or just check if it is already off. This prevents Apple from tracking you for targeted ads. Next, go to setting, open screen time, then tap content and privacy restrictions. Scroll to Apple advertising and set it to don't allow. This block access to ad personalization settings. Now open Safari setting and make sure block pop-up is turned on. This helps stop annoying ad windows while browsing. For advanced blocking, you can also use adguard DNS under Wi-Fi setting to block system level ads. Check the pinned comment for setup guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone privacy tips.